today let's see this beautiful property from nestaway.com, India's most trusted real estate platform. Malls like Inorbit Mall, Hypercity and hospitals like Vaidehi Hospital are just 2 kilometers from the property. Now let's see the property for sale. This is a 3 BHK property with 1625 square feet and is east facing. It has a shoe rack outside, safety door with a mesh is provided at the main entrance. This is a solid door which gives extra security. And this is the main entrance. All the bills like house tax, STP and maintenance are up to date. Being a corner flat, all the 4 sides of this property doesn't have any common walls. So this entire passage can be used by this flat owner, and here also we have a common passage where we can keep any belongings. So this is a window which opens into the kitchen, and next to it is the balcony with the safety grill. This balcony can be covered by glass paneling and can be used as a separate room. Now let's see the interiors of this 3 BHK. This is a fully furnished flat. It comes along with all the furniture that's seen in the video. This is the main entrance. So as we enter here, we have this living area. The sofa set, coffee table, chairs and the curtains are also will be given. And this side we have this beautiful TV unit which has this spotlights which enhances the beauty of the TV unit, and Philips TV is included with the set-top box, and storage cabinets are also given at the bottom. All the electrical fittings like tube light, fan are also provided. From the living area, as we move forward, here we have this dining area. This 4-seater dining table is also included, and in the dining also we have storage, loft is given, and even here for the dining and fan is provided. Ample storage space is given in this entire flat. Opposite to the dining we have this attached kitchen. In the kitchen, we have this 2-door refrigerator, Orvo water purifier, steel sink is given, and this kitchen is fully equipped with all the essential supplies like 4-burner stove, microwave oven is also provided, chimney is also given. It has ample space for storage, and even the bottom cabinets we have tandem boxes. Granite countertop and dado tiling is done, and this is the 4-burner stove and the microwave that's provided, and these are the tandem boxes. For the kitchen we have this window for proper ventilation, and this is the steel sink provided, and above that we have this Orvo water purifier. Water meters are also available for this flat. This is the 2-door refrigerator. This side we have this utility which is huge, and gas cylinder is also kept here. We have the sink and a top load washing machine is also given here. Safety grill is given for this utility. The safety grill can be covered with a glass paneling and can be made for more privacy. This cloth hanger is also provided for drying our clothes. This is about the kitchen, dining and the utility. Now let's see one bedroom which is given just beside the dining area. So this is one bedroom which can be used as a guest bedroom or even the kids bedroom. In this we have the single cot, mattress is also provided, and few ledges are given for arty crafts, and this is full storage that's provided for this bedroom. It has this top loft and has ample space for this storage. Open shelves are also given for storing some showpieces. Mirror unit also provided for the same wardrobe, and all the windows in this flat have safety grills and sliding doors. This puja mandir is given in this bedroom with beautiful wood finish. Small CNC cutting work is given for this puja mandir. Having these doors makes it as a private room for the puja. These beautiful peacock handles make this puja mandir look more elegant. This is the interior of the puja mandir. So this is about this puja mandir and this first bedroom. Now let's see the common washroom that's given. This is the common washroom, and it has this geyser, 5-star geyser is also provided. Exhaust fan is also given in this washroom. It has shower head, sanitary fittings and mirror is also provided in this bathroom. Small wall units, wall shelves are given for placing soaps and shampoo bottles. Here we have 2 bedrooms. First, let's see the master bedroom. So this is the master bedroom with a king size cot, mattress, cot and all the fittings are included. This is a huge wall storage that's provided for this bedroom. Small TV paneling is also given and this electrical fitting like fan and tube lights are also provided. So ledges are given for storing some showpieces. This bedroom has an attached washroom and an attached balcony. This is a huge storage space that's provided. For this cot also we have this storage under the cot. Inside this wardrobe we have this mirror unit behind which also storage is provided. This is the storage behind this mirror unit. Safety locker is made in this corner according to Vastu. Interior flat is built by following all the Vastu rules. Here provision for the TV is given. This is an attached balcony that's provided for this bedroom. This is an attached washroom with all the sanitary fittings. Mirror is also provided. 5-star geyser and shower head with exhaust fan is provided. Wall shelves for soap and shampoo bottles are given even in this bathroom. This is the third bedroom. In this bedroom we have lot of storage space and mirror unit is also provided. So these are the sliding doors for this bedroom. In this bedroom we have this queen size cot along with the mattress. Ledges are given and all the electrical fittings like tube light and fan are also provided in this bedroom. So this is about this east facing 1315 square feet 3 BHK. Now let's see the parking space and all the amenities available for this property. This is the parking area available for this apartment. Both 2 and 4-wheeler covered parking is provided. This is the beautiful play area available. It has swing, slide and few play things are provided here with a green lawn. We have this beautiful swimming pool for both adults and kids. Beside this swimming pool we have a changing room. This property also has gym, clubhouse, party hall and walking track is also available. So this is about this beautiful 3 BHK east facing with 1315 square feet and these are all amenities and it has 24/7 water supply, power backup and round-the-clock security. For any queries about this beautiful property, do contact us through the below mentioned number.